ayọ̀ abara tíntín ayọ̀ abara tíntín ẹ wò kò ṣeé má gbọ́ ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì wa gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé tá ò bá ti rí àwa kì í sọ inkírun tá a bá dẹ̀ máa sọ lé lórí náà a máa ti ṣèwádìí lórí kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ tó ti pa mú wá sórí ìkànnì yìí ẹ̀ ń tèmi ẹ̀ rí pé orin mo kọ́kọ́ fi wọlé ìdí ayọ̀ abara tíntín rèé èyí Portable ọmọ àti fílẹ̀ ọtí grand ẹ̀ ní bed ipe 2 million bail òun lọ fún Portable ẹ̀yin tèmi ṣe lè kò tó ayọ̀ ẹ wo fídíò wọn alẹ́ ti máa play fún yín níbi tí ọlọ́pàá ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ wo gbogbo ẹlẹ́ máa jàǹfààní lórí kan tó bá yẹ pé gbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tó ń darapọ̀ mọ́kànlá wa bá a subscribe kó like kó comment kó share wàá lè máa jẹ́ wọ́n àǹfààní kọ́ńtẹ́ǹtì nígbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè sábà fi léta wàá lè máa fi ṣe ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye kẹ́mi sọ pé fídíò wọn alẹ́ tà máa play ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ̀ náà máa gbọ́ pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ ọ̀lẹ́nu ọlọ́pàá obìnrin yìí ẹ wo fídíò ọ̀hún náà rèé ẹ̀yin tèmi yẹ gbọ́.
What happened?
The state took over the matter from the Commissioner of Police, and as it is now, the matter is with the state government. They are the one prosecuting. So that was why the court stood down for the state to bring a proper charge before the Honorable Court.
How many charges?
There were 5 count charges against me and others that were arranged last week before this Honorable Court.
What are the charges?
The first one is that there was conspiracy. You know, when crime happened, they will say that 2 or 3 people conspired to commit the offense. So there is conspiracy, there is assault, there is possession of cutlass to injure some persons. So that is the charge before the court.
So what is the latest development?
As we prayed this morning, he has been admitted to bail, and he will come to court on the 5th of March for the trial of the matter.
Any other thing?
What are the conditions given for
The condition of bail is that he's admitted to bail in the sum of 2 million naira. You provide one surety in like sum. Then the surety must be a reliable person. And the bondsmen of Ogun State particularly will stand as surety for him.
Since you are told that you should not talk to the media.
Yes, the order from the court, he has been warned. We have told him before that when a matter is in court, you don't say anything about it until the final determination of the case. And the magistrate, in his wisdom, ordered him that he doesn't want to hear anything concerning this matter in the media, and he should not interfere with the case. He should not fight with anybody. Though he has not been fighting with them, but court has told him that he doesn't want any comments about the present charge, but the case is finally disposed of.
Thank you so much.
So that is it. Thank you, everybody.
Ẹjọ́ máa fi ẹ̀kú ṣẹ́gun kan ní Yorùbá.
Ọgbọ́n Ìgbò.
Ẹ bá a sọ ẹ bá ṣe gbọ́ láti BBC Yorùbá ni. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́.
Ẹ̀yin ò lè translate ẹ̀ sí Yorùbá fúnra.
Ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn ọjọ́ ìsọ yìí lọ àná.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó sọ Yorùbá.
Ẹ bá wa dárúkọ yín ní ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àti bí ẹ ṣe jẹ́ sí ẹjọ́ yìí.
Orúkọ mi ni arábìnrin Olúwatóyìn Ọmọmẹ́yìn Ayọ̀délé. Èmi ni lọ́ọ̀yà Habib Ọlálọ́mí Badmus tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí Portable.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa sọ kí ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ẹjọ́ lénìí.
Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lénìí ni pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá ṣẹmọ̀ àná ló lọ sí eléwé ẹran fún rẹ̀. Àǹtí ló kọ́kọ́ lọ òun ti wá yọ̀ǹda ara wọn. So lẹ́yìn yẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé wá sí eléwé ẹran, wọ́n gbé wá sí kóòtù láàárọ̀ yìí. Ṣùgbọ́n application táwọn ọlọ́pàá gbé wá ni pé kí wọ́n má fún ní bail. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn state take over case yẹn, wọ́n dẹ̀ ti fún ní bail. Ó máa padà wá sí court on the 5th of March láti wá parí case yẹn. Bó bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ wọ́n ti fún bail.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi kílẹ̀ náà rí sí fídíò yìí tí mo play sọ fún yín sí ṣé ilé kò sọ pé Portable ẹ wo gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé àwọn ò ní takò ẹnikẹ́ni lórí ìkànnì wa tó bá yẹ pé gbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tó ń darapọ̀ mọ́kànnì bá a subscribe kó like kó comment kó share wàá lè máa jẹ wọ́n àǹfààní kọ́ńtẹ́ǹtì nígbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè tá a bá fi léta wàá lè máa fi ṣe ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye ẹ wo ọ̀pá pọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọ̀ kò ṣeé péjò ó dàbọ̀.